Welcome to our magic bakery! Let's bake yummy hot cross buns together. Today, first, let's add the flour. Look! It's sparkling like magic! Every delicious recipe starts with flour. Now let's pour in the fresh milk. Yummy! It's looking delicious already. Can you guess the next ingredient? Now let's add the yummy butter. Look! It's shining like gold. Butter makes our buns soft and delicious. A little sugar makes everything sweet. Wow! Look at the magical sparkles. Can you help us stir the bowl? Stir, stir, stir. Let's make the softest dough ever. Can you stir with us? Big circles. 1, 2, 3. Wow! It's getting bigger. Our dough is growing like magic. Can you bounce like the dough? Roll, roll, roll. Nice and smooth. Can you roll with us? Push and pull. Perfect little buns. They're so cute. Did you see that? Let's make a cross on every bun. Now they look just right. Wow, they're ready for the oven.
See you soon, little buns.
Bake nice and fluffy. The magical oven is ready to bake something delicious. What's happening inside? Look! They're getting bigger. They smell so yummy already. Can you count how many buns you see? Wow, they're perfectly baked. They smell delicious. Who wants a warm hot cross bun? I smell something yummy. I smell something yummy. The hot cross buns are waiting for us. Can you count the hot cross buns in the basket? Welcome, friends. Our hot cross buns are ready. Come and enjoy our warm hot cross buns. How many friends came to our bakery? Let's count together. 1 hot cross bun for you. Sharing with friends makes everything more fun. Thank you, Ali and Meena. Hot cross buns. Hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny. Hot cross buns. Can you clap and sing with us? Hot cross buns. Hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny. Hot cross buns. Can you dance with us one more time? Sharing with friends makes everything more fun. Everyone gets one. Thank you, Ali and Meena. Kind friends always share. Kindness can make someone's day brighter. Hot cross buns. Hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny. Hot cross buns. Thank you for baking with us today. We'll see you in our next magical adventure. Bye-bye. If you had fun baking with us, tap the like button. Subscribe to Ali and Meena TV for more magical adventures.